Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Analytics 4 on Shopify for attribution insights, full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the Apps section in the left sidebar. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. In the search bar, type Google Analytics. Find and select the Google Analytics app from the search results. Click on the Add App button to install it. Once installed, return to your Shopify admin panel. Next, go to the Online Store section. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Google Analytics section. If you already have a Universal Analytics property, note that you will need to create a new Google Analytics 4 property. Open a new tab in your browser and go to the Google Analytics website. Log in with your Google account. Click on Admin in the lower left corner of the screen. In the Property column, click Create Property. Enter your business name and time zone information. Select Web as your platform. Click the Create Stream button. Copy the measurement ID that starts with G-. Return to the Shopify Preferences page. Paste the measurement ID into the Google Analytics section. Ensure you check the box for Use Enhanced E-commerce. This will enable. Scroll down and click the Save button to apply your changes. Next, open your Google Analytics account again. In the left sidebar, find and click on Data Streams. Select the data stream you just created. Enable the necessary settings for enhanced measurement. Return to Shopify and check that your Google Analytics 4 setup is complete. After a few hours, start checking your Google Analytics dashboard for data. You can now analyze your store's performance and attribution insights effectively. Make sure to regularly monitor and adjust tracking settings as needed for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.